Man, I love to host backyard barbecues. Whether it's for a big party of friends or an intimate family affair, doesn't have to be complicated, doesn't have to be stressful. All you need is a little bit of planning ahead so you and your guests can have a good time. One of my favorite topics, the beverages. Now, you want to have something for everybody and you want to have enough of it. And don't forget about the kids. A good playlist will sure make that party rock. Now let's talk about guest lists. How many people are coming and where they're sitting. Because you don't want Uncle Bob sitting next to Aunt Nina, because you know that's trouble. Gotta have games. Everybody loves a little competition. My personal favorite, ladder ball, bocce, and horseshoes. You can't go wrong with those. Once you've thought about those things, the grilling part is easy. One of my favorite things to grill is the creamer potatoes from the Little Potato Company. I love them because they're so easy to prepare. You don't have to wash them, you don't have to peel them. They come in different colors and they taste great. It doesn't matter who's coming. You know everybody loves them. Hey guys, dinner time.